Hello and welcome to Waterfalls Estate. My name is Pelle. I'm the developer here. Today we're going to show you around a bit what is happening in the development. We've already got water in place, we've got power in place, we have our roads in place, and we are busy now mainly focusing on building perimeter walls, what you see going on in the background here, and also of course building houses that are coming along very nice. So we actually expect the first resident to move into phase 2 within the next couple of weeks actually. Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom semi-detached flat that we are busy building. So there are 2 flats sitting on the same plot, and each house has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open plan kitchen and dining room that we're going to show you around in here. So now we are entering the flat. First thing to the left here, or to the right, is where the kitchen and the dining area is coming. So that slightly smaller window is to be able to fit in the kitchen cabinets and everything in that corner. And the open plan then opens up to the living room area, which is on the left-hand side here. You can see a bit of the roof structure there. We always build our roofs out of steel structures for durability. Now we just enter into the guest bedroom, and down to the left here is the guest bathroom that also services that same guest bedroom. And this finally is the master bedroom, which is self-contained with its own bathroom. That is the master bathroom. And all these finishes you see here, these are the shell finishes. When we sell a house in shell finish, this is how they look on the inside. So if this was to become a turnkey house, we would finish it off with tiles and painting and ceilings and all the finishes, whereas when they are sold as a shell house, the interior is actually left like this. So this is a 2-bedroom house, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house that we are just about to finish off in turnkey finish. So this house will be completely ready for occupation when we are done. Right now we are putting the last hands on all the interior finishes. So as we enter here in this house model, to the right we have the kitchen coming together. The guys here are just starting to do the tiling of the kitchen. And when you buy a house here, the kitchen, this is a standard house design, so the house looks quite similar. But one of the things the buyer can choose is the design of the kitchen, colors and stuff. So they tend to come out very nice actually. And then to the left here is an open plan again, just the living room. And in this house, the living room also opens up through a sliding door out to a covered veranda, which is actually a very nice feature. Down here is the bedrooms. So this is the slightly smaller guest bedroom. We are busy doing the last touches on the paintwork. In these turnkey houses, they come fully fitted with wardrobes. So this one obviously needs to be cleaned up a bit. And across here is the master bedroom. We have a slightly bigger set of wardrobes. This master bedroom is also self-contained with its own bathroom. So in here, obviously the bathroom furniture is missing. This particular bathroom is gonna have a shower and a sink and a toilet. So here again are wardrobes. So these are the wardrobe sets for the master bedroom. This is another version of a two-bedroom house that we're doing. This house is almost ready for handover. It differs a bit in that the site plan and the layout of the house is different from our standard. So as you enter in this house, it's a very open plan with a big kitchen down to the left. And then part of the same space, there is the living room that opens up through a sliding door out to the veranda and the garden. Down here there are two bedrooms, but in this particular house there's actually only one bathroom. This is the guest bedroom. So in this house you can see this is pretty much the final finish that we hand over. There are some small details we're still working on, but yeah, this is the master bedroom that also has its own sliding door opening up to the veranda in the garden. So that's also part of the changes to this house, making it a bit unique. And this is the bathroom with a fixed shower stall. So, thank you for watching. I hope you got a glimpse of Waterfalls Estate and what's happening here, the development that's coming along. I think it's coming along actually very nice. So if you're interested in what we're doing or buying a house or a service plot, please feel free to reach out and we'll try to help you out. You're all much welcome to Waterfalls.